Good day, ladies and gentlemen, our dear guest. This is our Captain Glenn Lucicoy speaking from the Neocommissions app review. Hi guys, what's up? Welcome to my channel and welcome to the Neocommissions app review. If you're interested in this, please stick around with me and let's go to the member area. So here we are inside the member area. But before I go through this all with you, with all the details, one question. What is Neocommissions app? It's a priceless app created by Glenn Kosky and his team. 100% done for you, AI-powered profit pages that only need less than 60 seconds to activate. In my opinion, this is an online money making made easy to achieve the financial freedom because it uses the advanced AI to do all the hard work and all the heavy lifting for you. Even newbies are getting traffic and sales literally overnight easily. So, how does it work anyway? First, you need to log in and activate any of done for you profit pages. 2, point the bill in free traffic, and 3, sit back, relax, and watch the result multiply as your traffic keeps growing. This is cool because with one-time price, you can have it forever for less than $20. And you will also have up to 6 months to make sure that Neocommissions app is for you. Anyway, if you pick this up via my link that I put down below on my descriptions, then I'll be showing you with some cool bonuses. Just click the link, you'll go to my bonus page that is going to be live on 13th of July at 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. That is New York time. Which at that time, you can click any of this orange button here. It'll take you to the sales page, which you can go ahead and purchase the Neocommissions app. Now, all you need to do is make sure you click the link and purchase it before the countdown time on my bonus page hits 0. Because when it does, all my bonuses will vanish into thin air. And you don't want to pick this up without my cool bonus, right? So now, let's see what I have for you today. My first bonus is the Profit Factory. This is a newbie-friendly video tutorial or video course that will show you the easy yet powerful way to build in buyers list to make big profit. And the bonus number 2 is how to make $100 per day from your laptop with free traffic. No paid traffic, no email list, nothing but free tools and free traffic. That's what Jono Armstrong did when he made $190 in 24 hours. Bonus number 3 is the secret weapon. It's an easy also and simple course about great tactics how to make money online from A to Z. On top of this, you also have other bonuses from the vendor. The first bonus is $2,000 per day from home profit loophole. The value is almost $2,000. Bonus number 2, make commissions in 60 seconds. The value almost $1,000. Bonus number 3 is $500 per hour ClickBank affiliate system. The value almost $500. And the bonus number 4, 5 million underground internet blueprint with a value of $500. And you still have other bonuses. There's more. Brand new, all customers get invited to our world famous underground traffic masterclass live training. This thing, the value for the real world is $3,000. So claim all your bonuses as part of your purchase for free, and make sure you click the link down below on my descriptions go to my bonus page, hit the orange button here, and you'll go to the sales page. Now go to the sales page. Let's see about it. In 60 seconds, clone our push button system for free buyer traffic. That makes us $987 in daily commissions. No website, no list, no experience, no problem. Autopilot buyer traffic in 60 seconds, 100% new, never before seen solution. Total newbies are getting traffic and sales literally overnight. Works in any niche you want. Achieve financial freedom. Quit your job, travel, and enjoy life. Stop falling and finally break through. 180-day money-back guarantee. Plus, get result or get free private coaching. So, you need only to do in 3 simple steps. You need only to do 3 simple steps, which is step 1, log in and activate any of the done for your profit pages. Step number 2, point the built-in free traffic to your AI-powered lead and commissions-ready pages. Step number 3, sit back and watch the results multiply as your traffic and lists keep growing. The proof of how it works. They put Neocommissions to the test. Week 1, last 7 days, they made $2,000. The next week, after some additional tweaks, here's what happened. Week 2, the last 7 days, they made $5,000. What about week 3? Last 7 days, $11,932. And week 4, last 7 days, they made $17,854. Wow, that's crazy. You want even more proof? You can see in here. And also, you can see testimony of both experienced marketers and total beginners. Here we got Sarah, we got Rita, with all the testimonials they have. Also, Kurt Plank and Carl York. I will not go through all of this with you. You can do this in your own valuable time to read all of these informations that will lead you to the success with this app. Now, let's go to the member area. Here's the dashboard. When you first log in, you will have this dashboard here, the Neocommissions Welcome. And all the things you need, all the buttons, is on the left side. Let's see the tutorials here. Okay, let's see. Now we are here in the member area. This is the dashboard here when you first log in, and all the buttons you need, all the things you need are on the left-hand side of the screen. This is the dashboard, and let's see the tutorials. Okay, they put a lot of effort and hard work to create all of this. This is cool. Okay, on this page you will find a range of tutorial videos to help you to get the most out of Neocommissions. These videos will show you exactly what you need to know. The first video is the demo video that you can watch here, and you got all other video as well, like this one. The second one is Neocommissions integrations. Next video, Neocommissions social sharing. The next one, create other campaigns, and then Neocommissions upgrades. Also, you got this. The next one, Neocommissions create bonus pages, and all other videos down here that I'm sure will lead you to success. You even got $10 of Bitcoin if you are yet to invest in Bitcoin. each time you buy $100 or equivalent. And if you are already a Bitcoin owner, they will teach you how to get 8.6% interest. The next one that we are about to see is the chatbot. This is all the chatbot that created here for you, and it's controlled by AI in here. But each one of them, you can edit it if you like. You can save changes, save a draft, and do anything you like when you edit it. They also give you your campaign here. You got 12 minutes affiliate, crypto profit app, energize, perpetual income in 365. You got also the bonus campaign, the ambassador program, CB passive income, commission hero, show Neocommissions, 6-figure success academy. And also you click here the free traffic. Which in here, you got every steps, step 1, steps 2, and so on, to get the free traffic in here. So, once again, in my opinion, this is a cool app. Now, let me show you about the upsells. The front end, early bird at 5 p.m. and the price will rise every hour. You'll have the Auto 1, unlimited version, upsells $67 and downsells $37. You got Auto 2, 100% down for you with upsells $97, downsells $47. Auto 3, unlimited traffic with upsells $97 and downsells $47. Auto 4, automations, upsells $67 and downsells $37. Auto 5, ATM, upsells $197 and downsells $47. Auto 6, the ultimate, with upsells $197 and downsell $47. And the last one is Auto 7s, the license ride with upsells $67 and downsells $37. And here are some details or some keys benefits you may be interested in getting. Start profiting today. Completely beginner friendly, fully cloud based, nothing to download and install, no hosting, no domain required, developed for the non-techie by a team of expert designers and marketers, commercial license without upgrading or paying extra, all-time lowest possible and one-time price tag. And you can go through all the demo video here. You can watch it at your own time to have an idea how to get started with the Neocommissions app. Now, once again, make sure you click the descriptions down below, the link that I put down below on my descriptions, and it will go to my bonus page that, once again, will be live on 13th of July at 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, which is New York time. Hit any of this orange button here that will lead you to the sales page where you can go ahead and purchase it along with all the bonuses. So, it's a wrap. That's all from me right now. That's all my review about Neocommissions app. Thank you for watching, and Captain Glenn Lucikoy signing out.